In this tutorial, I'll show you a 7th level cascaded multi-level inverter simulation. Okay, and this was our model of a 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter. Before watching this video, you have to watch the 5-level multi-level inverter. Okay, otherwise you can't do this simulation. Okay, for a 7th level inverter, we have to just copy the below gate pulses and the ease base. Okay, just copy it using Ctrl C and paste it here. Okay, and I'm moving this bounce here. Okay, done. So, and we have to connect the output here. Okay, and we have to connect the bounce here. Okay, so this is all, and here we have to make the other gate pulses here. In the previous video, we generated up to get pulse 4. Okay, G4, and here we need G5 and G6. Okay, and we have to change the value here. This first value was like 2, 3, then again 2, then 3, then 2. Okay, and just copy the output value here and paste it here. Okay, and the value will be G5 here. Okay, similarly this one G5, this is G6 and G6. Okay, so this is our 7th level cascaded multi-level inverter. Okay, and we have to change the amplitude as 3 here. Okay, so let's run this model. Now you can see the 7th level. Okay, 0, 100, 200, 300, and similarly minus 100, 200, and 300, and so on. Okay, so this is the way you can make your 7th level cascaded multi-level inverter. Okay, so that's all for today. The next video will be on 9th level cascaded multi-level inverter. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.